Welcome to Real Estate IQ Wisdom for Smart Moves. Featuring Randy Zechman, the Chief Executive Officer of Clean Solar.
And how do you customize solar solutions for different clients?
So the first thing we have to do is ask a lot of questions, right? We have to understand, what are they really trying to accomplish?
Sure.
And so many customers now are purchasing batteries that it makes that whole thing more complex. Why are they getting batteries? Why are they getting solar? What's the ultimate goal? So from a simple standpoint, they're probably trying to get rid of an electricity bill, but more to that, are they trying to zero out the bill, or are they trying to get the best return on investment? Those two things are different. They're very different things. So we have those conversations with the customer, and then after that, then we design the system. Now, logistically, the roof can have limitations to that. So I mentioned we want to put things on southerly facing roofs.
Right.
So they might have a $1,000 electric bill, which is not that uncommon in this area, and they've only got roof space to fit 30 panels up there, and they want to zero out their bill. And they would need 40 panels to do that. So sometimes that can't happen.
I see.
So then you kind of talk through that issue, and there's varying different products too that you need to talk about. So if that issue exists where they want more solar than they can feasibly fit up there, you might look at more efficient solar panels. So therefore, you might get a couple extra kilowatts out of something by putting more efficient solar panels up there. Now you pay a little more for that. It might take your ROI down, but it'll lower your bill also. So what's the real want from the customer? The other part of this is the battery storage. Because net energy metering has changed, battery storage is a key component to it. Because we don't really want to put electrons on the grid anymore, because you're taxed at 90%, you don't get any value of it. So you're just giving those electrons to the utility. No one wants to give anything to the utility, by the way.
Yeah.
And so instead of doing that, you put it into a battery, which then shifts when you're going to use that power.
Oh, I see.
Okay. So what ultimately happens is, during the day when you're overproducing and you would normally spin the meter backwards, instead of spinning the meter backwards, you dump it into a battery. And then at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night, whenever the sun goes down or your energy usage might go up, you come home from work and start using energy. Then instead of buying power from the utility, you're now buying it from the battery that you had stored from early on. So it makes for a nice, even grid scenario, which is really good for for what we need as a society, or as a planet. You want your energy usage to be flat in general, and batteries give us that ability to do that. It also gives us the ability to insure ourselves away from wildfires, from brownouts, from blackouts, all those kind of things as well, to give yourself the energy independence that most people are feeling like they're needing these days, right? The trust in the utility has certainly gone down, and when you live in an area like this,
right,
you don't want to have to live like a caveman or cavewoman, right? So, and by having a battery, that helps with that situation.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.